Page 96. Vertical bandsaw. Vertical bandsaw is a sawing machine that has a saw blade and belt installed in vertical position. The blade can be cut workpiece continually, such as thin metal bar or metal sheet, or cut workpiece in different shape that other sawing machine cannot operate. Band speed indicator. Band tension control. Idler wheel. Job selector. Band tension indicator. Air blower. Post. Upper saw guide. Lower saw guide. Table tilt 10 degrees left, 45 degrees right. Drive wheel. Chip drawer. Start and stop push buttons. Variable speed control. Transmission shift lever. Blade grinder. Saw band wielder. Vocabulary. Chisel, noun. Brittle, adjective. Clamp, verb. Frame, noun. Clearance, noun. Rack, noun. Vice, noun. Crank, noun. Gullet, noun. Alternate, adjective. Cut off gauge, noun. Simultaneously, adverb.